Now, this is the Kwikset electronic deadbolt single cylinder with motorized automatic lock. Packaging is actually quite impressive for something that's around $50. And it's got all the features on the box. So now we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So what we got here, got what looks to be the inside part of the lock and the outside part here. Got another box here which should have the keys and some of the tools that you need, and I believe you've got the instructions here. So if you have a 38mm, which is 1.5 inch hole in your door, you will need to use a pair of pliers to remove these two tabs, which are a bit of a pain in the butt. I've been at it for a couple minutes so far and it seems to be working, but it might take some more time. If you have a 54mm or a 2 1/8 hole in your door, then you should be fine. You don't need to do this. So it did take me an extra few minutes, about 5 minutes or so, but as you can see, you can get those tabs off with pliers eventually. And this Kwikset lock operates on 4 AA batteries, and the cover actually has some instructions on how to set up user codes, and it slides right on, just like this. It looks pretty nice. So the lock has a manual mechanism as well as the electronic, so there's always a backup in case you need to manually open the door. See, it works pretty smoothly, and as well, might as well show you the electronic part of it. So right now it is unlocked. If I leave the house, press the Kwikset and then the lock, and right now there's a default code 4. It's Kwikset. There you go, unlock the door. Sweet.